really part of my day-to-day life, but it was not a plan. Hello guys, this is Nel Fuentes again. Welcome to my vlog. Okay. This is super wow. Yes, hello guys, good morning. So, this is Nel Fuentes again, and ngayon na lang ako ulit nakapag-vlog. So, under this ECQ, okay, one of my a day in a life sa ECQ ay mag-gardening kami. So, pero dahil hindi na nga available yung lots at may pechay kami doon. So, may gagawin ako at panoorin niyo po. Bye! Yan yung gagamitin ko. Dali natin dito. Ewan ko kung ano magiging reaction ni Papa. Masyadong maliliit yung bote pero pwede pa siguro yan. So guys, gagawin ko dito, hatiin ko yung bote. So filter this first using that screen, and the plants are waiting now, and I have some fertilizer I think, and it took a while to to make a hole, kumuha talaga ng oras, tagal ko. So ayan, binutasan ko kahit ilan para may malusutan yung tubig. So I come up to this, guys. So I don't know what will happen next. So let's just monitor it day by day. So hindi ko masyadong nagawa siya ng consistent. Yan. Tingnan nyo na lang. Pero hoping na tumubo talaga siya. I'm not sure of this. I don't have a prior background of gardening, so hindi talaga nagtatanim. Pero dahil sa ECQ, yan ang nagawa ko. Sana maging successful. So guys, hindi ko pa mailalagay doon kasi sobrang init. But this time, since this is a day in life, so alis muna tayo, pupunta tayo sa church. We'll do something. You were guarding and your eyes are closed. But what if I show? So guys, nandito ako ngayon sa church and we're getting ready for the tawag nila Ayuda. So these are eggs. These are gulay. So, nasa loob ako ng LP ngayon. Palis kami, punta kaming Vita Ridge para kunin, i-pick up yung mga chicken. So, this is really part of my day-to-day life. It was not a plan. I was just texted by my church mate na they need help. So, let's go! Guys, medyo nasita kami dahil bawal pala naka-shorts dito. Look. Yan. Nasita kami ng guard. So, okay lang. Nakakapagod. Kasi, ito inakyat namin, no. Ang dami, nalula ako sa dami. Pero, yeah, we're inside of the factory. Vita Rich. So, dami. Ang sakit sa balakang. Yan. Yan o. Escala. So, kung kami yung sa logistics, ito naman yung sa listahan ng mga bibigyan. Payat, 'di ba? Ay, ang taba, 'di ba? Ito din. Medyo mataba, 'di ba? Ay, mapayat, 'di ba? So, ang ginagawa namin, pinapupunta na lang namin dito yung mga malalapit para bawas siya mamaya sa delivery. So, kapag tinatid na namin, konti na lang yung mga tira namin. Yung mga malalapit dito, we chatted them to come here and to claim their Ayuda for a third. So, we load, we unload everything. So, yun yung mga chicken. We unloaded the chicken and we are loading now the rice and the chickens na ipapamigay. So ayun, in-unload na namin, ni-repack na namin. We're busy. So guys, ayan, we are almost ready.
Yeah.
We are heavy loaded. Heavy loaded. Loaded na loaded.
Loaded na loaded.
So, ang ihatid namin ay iba sa mga members talaga at ng church, at iba sa mga outreach program, mga bata, at iba din sa mga youth.
Yeah.
So,
See you.
come with us.
Yeah.
Meron akong... Ayan guys, punta na kami sa aming unang destination. So we're done with our first person, si Tatay. Awan.
guys, we skipped one person kasi magbukas kami ng traffic. And we're heading to another Rubyville. Drop by some of the reliefs of the youth. And shout out sa aming driver. Hi! Thank you. Ayan, may kinidnap kaming bata. Kasi hindi namin alam yung bahay ng kasama niya. So guys, we are now in the boundary of Valenzuela and Bulacan. Since we got a member that is living outside Valenzuela, so what we do is we're going to wait. We're going to wait the person. Antayin na lang natin yung tao na lumabas dyan para i-claim yung kanilang relief. So ayan, haharang, nakikita nyo. Is we drop off the 15 rice and sardines, 15 gulay, 15 chicken, and one for the members. These are for the days outreach namin. At least ito may pinaka-last. So ayun guys, we're almost done.
Hi guys.
Ano, kamusta ang pagod ba?
Medyo nakakapagod pero instant workout. Habit mong ano na to, isang magandang
mula alas 11 na umaga ang pag-deliver. At you know, this is part of my day in a life vlog.
Yes.
So please do not forget to like and subscribe on my channel. And tabayanan niyo po ako at if you do have some comment about my vlogs or somewhat request, just comment down below. And there you have it, I'll do it.
Yeah.
So this is Nel Fuentes again. Thank you for watching on my day in a life vlogs. Sila yung mga bayani natin ngayon. Magdi-deliver silang dalawa. Isang manipis at isang makapal. Isang maitim at medyo morena. Yan. Good luck sa inyo. May aso dyan, mga day.
Good luck guys.
Guys, if you think that my day is already over, no, it's not, because I do still have my webinar at 8 o'clock p.m. so I don't know if I can still do it, but yeah, I think I can't na. Nakakapagod. So paggising ko pa lang 7 o'clock, I made my hanging gardening, and alam nyo na, medyo challenging, nakakagutom siya actually. Pero this day is quite all over very okay, and it's very purposeful to do this a day in a life vlog, because it's not very planned. It's not planned that I will be here today delivering these goods and relief goods to my church mates, but I'm here. So it's very worth it to vlog this time, because you have seen me all over a day and what I did. So what I'm feeling right now, sabi nga sa kasabihan, if you're feeling bad about your day, do good until you feel good.
Yeah.
This is Nel Fuentes again. Thank you for watching. Hello guys, this is Nel Fuentes again. Welcome to my vlog. Okay,